Hello Odoo, I hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we are going to learn about how to generate a lead from your website. It means end user, public user can fill the contact us form something and it will automatically convert it to the lead or opportunity in backend in your CRM application. So for that we have this CRM already installed, and there is another application in Odoo website CRM which is already installed. So if I go to the website and here in, let's say, contact us page, here you can see this form is already available here. So if I click here, then let's say, so here if you click on this form, and in the form section we can see we want to create a specific like application record. So here you can see apply for job, create customer ticket, opportunity, task, send an email. So I will click here, create opportunity. So it will automatically fill this. This is as a name, uh, phone number, email, your company, subject, question, right? And we can also add a new field, let's say here, and I can select existing fields. Let's say uh, I will select something as a priority or any priority, let's say, right? And I will click on save. And if I go to backend here, and I can see this, I have 17 opportunity right now. If I go again to the website and fill contact us form, let's say test user or phone number something, test company, subject quotation for CPU 10 something. I want 10 CPU urgently, and priority is I, and I send this. So this is submitted. Now if I go to backend CRM, and you can see this is already created, right? You can see this subject, description, phone number, email, name, here company name, contact name, right? So all this information registered in the backend. So this is how we can easily create lead opportunity from the website. So it is very easy because already this form is available. If you want, then you can adjust, you can add a new field, you can remove, or you can make any field as a mandatory, right? Here you can see visibility rule, hidden, animation, right? And it is like required, then you can make this required, so it will become required, right? So this is how you can set up the form, and it will automatically create an opportunity in backend, so end user can fill the form and it will create as a opportunity. I hope this video will help to you.